Hello, dear student. How are you? I hope you are all will be fine. I'm also fine. Thank you. Welcome to your channel. That is Asia Science Group. Today, I bring a new topic that is a haloform reaction. Haloform reaction. In this mechanism, in today's lecture, we will be discuss that is very important organic reaction. It has very large use in organic chemistry and industrial use. And this mechanism we will be study. First of all, you will see one carbonyl compounds, that is the carbonyl compounds, or you can say that there is one ketone. There is one ketone, so this ketone, that is carbonyl groups, so the elements are the atoms that are directly bonded with this carbonyl group are called alpha atoms. So that's why carbon will be, this carbon will be called alpha carbon. So all the atoms that are directly attached with this carbon, this is alpha carbon. So that's why these all hydrogen are called alpha hydrogen. Alpha hydrogen are the hydrogen that are directly attached with the alpha carbon, and alpha carbon are the carbon that are directly attached with the carbonyl groups or functional groups. So in this mechanism, the elimination of the alpha hydrogen will occur. Alpha hydrogen will be eliminated with OH or any other groups in the presence of base. It will be eliminated, and it will be also substitutes in with the halide ions. So let's start the topic. In this way, mechanism will be complete in two steps. First step, haloform complete this mechanism in their mechanism in two steps. Step one, alpha hydrogen of carbonyl compound is acidic in character. This alpha hydrogen actually that is acidic in character. All the alpha hydrogen present in any carbonyl compound will be acidic in nature. So that's why such a compound undergo alpha halogenation. So that's why this compound can be undergo, that compound can be goes in alpha halogenation with X2 or OH, with X2 group, halide group or OH group, that is in the presence of base or electrophilic substitution reaction. These are electrophilic substitution reaction. So that is one nucleophile, strong nucleophile, not that is nucleophile that, but it is base, that is one strong base, OH base. In the presence of base, this base will be abstract one proton from this. Here is 3 alpha hydrogen, so that's why this base will be abstract one proton from these protons, these alpha proton or alpha hydrogen. So that's why it will produce carbon anion, because of this bond will be shift towards carbon, broke towards carbon. So that's why the carbon will get negative charge and H will become positive, but it is combined, it are with combined with OH, and OH has negative charge. So that's why it become as a whole neutral. It produces plus H2O, water will be also produced. So there here this resonance stabilized structure will be produced. This negative charge can be stabilized by this carbonyl groups, and it will be produced resonating structure. It will be this negative charge will be shift toward here and produce the here double bond. So that's why this double bond will be shift towards here and will be broke. So this is the this is carbon anion and this is enolate ion. So this why this structure are resonating stabilized structure. Let's see further this mechanism, that is one that is negative charge or that is carbon anion that are resonating stabilized with the enolate ion. So this carbon anion that will be attack on the one halide ions, that is in the presence of molecular halogen. Molecular halogen means X2 or Cl2, F2, Br2, I2. These are molecular halogen. So these molecular halogen one atoms, you can say that this negative charge or this carbon anion, it will be attack on one of the atom of the halide molecules. So that's why it will be produce this group, this compound RC double bond OCH2, and one proton will be replaced by X, as before. And first step, here is CH3. Initially here is CH3, right? Here is 3 proton in the alpha position, while here now here is 2 alpha hydrogen remains, and plus X negative will be also stay. So that is the acidity of alpha hydrogen is more, this compound, this alpha hydrogen is more than the compound, acidity of alpha hydrogen is more than the compound one due to the a negative group of inductive effect. So now this compound is up to some extent less acidic as compared to the compound that was initially used, because here is some negative inductive effect occurs due to this halogen groups. So in the next steps, once again similarly, another proton will be abstract, that is X that was produced here. Once another proton will be abstracted in the presence of base, and similarly same process will be occur as before in the step 1, and produced one again halide structure, and this once again it produced carbon anion, and this carbon anion will also again attack on the any halide ion or halide molecules, and produce another stable compounds, another less acidic compounds, that is less acidic as compared to the this compounds, and the compound that was initially used. Once again the proton that was remain, this proton again will be abstracted by this proton by base. So that's why carbon once again carbanion producer, and this carbanion will be resonating stabilized with the carbonyl groups. So that's why this carbanion can be attacked on the halides ion. So that's why RC double bond OCX, this bond will be produced, that is called alpha alpha alpha, because on three halogen group are present, so three halide groups are present in alpha position, so that will be called alpha 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 trihalocarbonyl compound. So now in second step, that is second, so now starting second step, now alpha 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 trihalocarbonyl compound obtained in the first step gives additional formed by elimination with OH. Now once again this tricarbonyl that was produced in first step, but here this CX3 that is up to some extent that is less stable, while another stable compound can be produced. So in second steps, once again OH negative ion will be attack on this carbon, and this when attack on this carbon and carbonyl carbon or electrophilic carbon, that is electrophilic center, then nucleophilic center nucleophile can attack on this. This nucleophile will be attack on the, now before OH groups, before first step OH group, where the OH group are used, it was be act as a base, but here it will be act as a nucleophile, because that is the main difference between base and nucleophile. Base is the compound, base is the species, base is the groups that abstract a proton from any compound, while nucleophile is the species, or nucleophile is the agent, or nucleophile is the group that attack on any center, or mostly they attack on the carbon center in organic chemistry. So that's why nucleophile will be attack on this center other when the compounds or when the groups attack on the other than hydrogen, or when they attacked if except the proton, except proton or deprotonation process, they will be called nucleophile. So here it will be actually nucleophile, and it will be attack on this carbon, carbonyl carbon, and it will produce this compound. So OH is negative. Here this double bond between carbon and oxygen, it will be shift towards oxygen, and oxygen will get negative charge. This OH will be bonded to this carbon, similarly here, but this negative charge can also attack back and produce double bond. So that's why CX3 will be generated, it will be escaped. So RC double bond OH, this compound will be produced, this compound, and CX3 negative, but this can be resonating stabilized, or you can say that this CX3 will be once again deprotonate this compound or this carboxylic acid, and produce this ions and carboxylate ion and CH3X, CHX3 compounds. These are the haloforms. These are the haloform reaction. I hope you will be clear. Still, if you have any confusion, if you have any question, you can ask me in comment section, as well as you can ask me in my personal WhatsApp or Gmail that I put in the description box. You can get from there. And also please subscribe my channel. It makes me feel happy that my students are supporting me. Okay, thank you very much. Very best of luck.